100-ton litre EY crane, 2 months old, working capacity 40 tons. Fucking beast. Final settlement after it, thanks. So you go doing last pipe work down here with no hundred and that pipe on this side. That must be number 1. And the wishing kind of on the background just behind the guy on his jacket. John didn't go out anywhere, that's sure. Extraction hammer. Behind me there is 2 old percolating filters, which were built in the 1930s and the 1938. I've been doing close enough. You'll actually see the epoxy resin. The blue mark there is epoxy resin that is actually very cracked in the tank. Finally digester, 1430s. Getting the fiber. You can see, big push you see on there. All this is hard and everything. Want barrel shape. Push my finger up into it. There's the G7.5 ton. Just one big main barrel shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, each side 1.5 ton. $1,500 for noise handle. Big mesh. I'll walk down here towards a little bit that channel. Filter bit. More pipe work. You can see the scale of the crane now. We're about 60 metres away from it. Old percolating filters. Again built in the 1930s and obviously they've served through time. As you can see, large holes in the walls and stuff. Now coming up to the Newton burn outfall, this is tidal outfall. She's a bit half tight at the moment. As you can see, the outfall pipes are completely covered. Although that outfall is still on the back there. Looking over the black stuff inside that tank, as you can see, is pure shite. They're about 12 metres deep. Tankers come in every hour or so and unload from there and take shit down to the incinerator. Burn outfall. Runs right up the timber. There's a wee bit of a spill here or there. The final effluent ran into the outfall. underground pumping station. Workers getting bar nightfall, heading to south east side of the plant now. We're going to go a second night look at the station. I can't do that. Already getting on that. Select your turnpike. Not doing that now.